Indian Defence Ministry signed contract worth around 22,000 crores with Airbus Defence and Space Spain on Friday for procurement of 56 C-295MW transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force. Of these, 16 aircrafts are to be delivered in flyaway condition from Spain and 40 are to be manufactured in India by Tata Consortium within 10 years of signing of the contract. These 56 C-295MW transport aircrafts will replace the aging Avro aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The C-295MW aircraft is a transport aircraft of 5 to 10 ton capacity within contemporary technology. It has a rear ram door for quick reaction and para-dropping of troops and cargo. On September 8, the government had approved procurement of 56 transport aircraft from Airbus Defence and Space for the Indian Air Force. This is the first project of its kind in which a military aircraft will be manufactured in India by a private company. All 56 aircraft will be installed with indigenous electronic warfare suite. This will provide a major boost to the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan as it offers a unique opportunity for the Indian private sector to enter into technology-intensive and highly competitive aviation industry. The project will augment domestic aviation manufacturing, resulting in reduced import dependence and expected increase in exports. A large number of detailed parts, sub-assemblies and major component assemblies of aerostructure are scheduled to be manufactured in India. The program will act as a catalyst in employment generation in the aerospace ecosystem of the country and is expected to generate 600 highly skilled jobs directly, over 3,000 indirect jobs and an additional 3,000 medium-skilled employment opportunities with more than 42.5 lakh man-hours of work within the aerospace and defense sector of India. It will involve development of specialized infrastructure in forms of hangars, buildings, aprons and taxiways. During the process of manufacturing in India, it is expected that all the suppliers of Tata Consortium who will be involved in special processes will gain and maintain globally recognized National Aerospace and Defense Contractors Accreditation Program accreditation. In addition, the original equipment manufacturer will also discharge its offset obligation through direct purchase of eligible products and services from the Indian offset partners, giving further boost to the economy. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.